Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Encanto Deluxe Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it had a grinding block error, and basically means that the grinder needed to be replaced. This is the old grinder of the machine, and now the new grinder is inside. So starting with one small coffee, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be testing out the hot water and then the steam. Well, just for that, we didn't have enough beans in the grinder. Nice steady flow coming out from the spouts. We can increase or decrease the quantity of crema by rotating this knob. Great crema, great color, excellent small coffee. We're going to be testing the steam on this one, and we're going to be seeing a little bit of steam coming out through here on the one, and as the temperature gets hotter inside the thermoblock, we're going to see steam coming out through the steamer. Great pressure coming out of the steamer. Excellent temperature. Working great. Now we're going to be using the hot water function of the machine. There's going to be a lot of steam coming out through the one, and that's because we already used the steamer first. But as the thermoblock gets cool, starts to cool down, we're going to see that steady stream coming out through the one, as you're seeing right now. So there you have it, Saeco Encanto Deluxe working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.